Hey guys, it's Ernesto and welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So today we're going to talk about 5 ways on how to use a single light source. Alright guys, so just a quick disclaimer before we jump into this video. I just wanted to say that the light that's being featured in this video was sent to me by a vendor. They didn't pay me to make this video. However, if you guys want to purchase this light, you can use the affiliated link below. It will take you to their store on Amazon and you could purchase the light. What you're gonna hear in this video is just basically the experience that I had using the light. And that's my honest opinion. I'm not sugarcoating anything. It's just my honest opinion of using this light. This is not a review of this light because all I did was just use it on a photo shoot, and I'm going to talk about how I used it on the photo shoot. So don't look to this video for a review. I don't do reviews. So I'm sure there's plenty of other reviews out there on this light. In addition, I just wanted to also let you guys know that I did also open my store. So if you guys wanted to purchase anything on posing, lighting, retouching, all of that stuff I have on my store. So if you wanted to purchase any of that, the link is down below. So click the link and it will take you to the store. So a couple of things about this light really quickly is that it folds, which is pretty interesting that a light that this small, it could fold and could get into interesting places. So that was the first thing that I found that was very interesting about this light. The one thing that I found was a little bit odd about this light is that it get a little bit warm to the touch, which was a little bit weird. I haven't really seen that with an LED light before, so I don't know why it gets so warm to the touch. It's not like it's burning or anything, it's just like it just gets warm. In addition, it comes with a soft box, and I'm actually using it right now to record this video, so that's what's lighting me right now, the light. So it comes with a nice little soft box, and what I would recommend if you're going to use this soft box that comes with this light is to get an additional layer of diffusion, because it could create a little bit of a hot spot on your subject, which is not so flattering. Alright, so now let's get into the 5 ways on how to use a single light source. So the very first way of using a single light source is positioning the light 45 degrees to the right or left of the subject. If you haven't checked out my video on why lighting patterns are important, then check it out, as it gets more in depth into light position and how it provides different lighting patterns and styles. For this light source, since it's not a big light source, and to get a nice soft quality of light, I had to position the light at times a bit closer to the subject. Positioning the light directly in front of the subject and above the eye line removes some of the drama, aka shadows, as the light is straight on. This type of light position is what you would normally use for beauty lighting. What I love about this light position is that it allows the subject to really connect with the camera. Side light. So positioning the light directly to the left or right of the subject creates a nice bit of drama. With this type of setup, the subject would need to be profiled to the camera, which would allow me to get unique poses than the standard poses in the first 2 setups. Positioning the light directly above the subject is very similar to positioning the light to the side, in that it adds a bit of drama and depth. For this light position, as with all the previous light positions, I had to remember to position the subject's face towards the light. By doing this, it forces me and the subject to come up with different poses, which makes the shoot much more interesting. If you watch my posing tutorial, which is in my store as I mentioned before, you already know what I'm about to say when it comes to posing. Before posing, I always start with the light, and as you will see in all the lighting examples, that the light forces the pose and creates interesting poses. Positioning the light directly behind the subject is just like having the sun behind the subject when using natural light. Because this light can change color temperature, I put the light to 3000 Kelvin, which simulated sunset. Given I'm only using a single light source, this will create a bit of drama and add a great deal of depth and dimension to the images. So again, the light presented the opportunity and allowed the pose to follow. Since the subject would be somewhat silhouetted, she had to be profiled to the camera, which again created some amazing poses. Alright guys, so that is the 5 ways that I utilize this particular light source in this video. Now, I hope these techniques could help you in your journey when you are using a single light source to create your portraits. Now, it doesn't have to be a video light like I use a video light in this particular photo shoot. You could use a speed light, you could use strobes, or you can even use the sun. Now, I only gave 5 examples in this videos, but there's multiple other ways you could use the light over and above these 5 examples. So go out there, create 10 different examples if you can, using one single light source. So alright guys, as a reminder, like I said, I have my store. I just launched the store, so please go and check out the store. It has posing, it has retouching tutorials, it has a ton of information, and plus I'm giving away a discount, so check it out right here. So it's only up there for a limited time, so please go check it out. It's a great way to support the channel, and it's a great way to support me. So I sincerely appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think if you pick up a tutorial. Definitely give me some feedback and let me know what you think, because obviously I want to improve it and I want to make it better and I want to make it helpful. So definitely give me your feedback. All right, that being said, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Put some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Share this video with your friends and family. And guys, if you got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.